Looking to fit out your office space, but tired of the same old boring furniture that just isn't quite fit for purpose? Let us help you reimagine your space with FluidSpace Flex rental options. How does FluidSpace Flex work? Let's break it down. Step 1. Choose your furniture. Select the items you need to match your current workspace requirements. Our friendly team is here to help you design your perfect space. Step 2. Select your term. You decide how long you need the furniture, with flexibility starting from 6 months. We also offer great rates for longer terms up to 5 years. Step 3. Get a quote. We'll send you a personalised quote that includes delivery and installation to your chosen location. Step 4. Delivery and installation. Our expert team will deliver and set up your furniture at your workplace at a time that suits you. Step 5. Stay flexible. Once the minimum period is up, you can continue renting, return what you don't need, or upgrade to a new style. If you're ready for a workspace that is truly functional for you, let's talk FluidSpace Flex, the most flexible way to furnish your workspace.